Introducing the Premier X5 Sectional Matrix System, a complete, high-quality, 5-component sectional matrix system, providing reliability, convenience, and value for your Class II restorations. Made in the USA from a proprietary resin material to deliver strength and performance, the X5 ring has been designed to ensure comparable separation force to metal rings for 5 sterilization cycles. After 5 usages, simply dispose of the used ring and select a new ring. The Premier X5 system has been extensively tested by dental professionals to deliver ease of use during placement and setup and consistently outstanding clinical outcomes. If you are still using a Tofflemire-type retainer for composite restorations, the Premier X5 system can help you achieve Class II restorations with proper interproximal contour and consistent contacts quickly and easily. The Premier X5 system provides you more rings at a fraction of the cost of metal ring systems. Having more rings available allows for quick patient setup, which improves office workflow, fewer sterilizations per day, saving time and energy, and less concern about corrosion, damaged, or lost expensive metal rings. The Premier X5 system is the affordable, better value choice if you are considering switching to a sectional matrix system to improve composite Class II efficiency and success, or if your practice has multiple operatories and clinicians. Eliminate worries of sharing the few available metal rings or whether you have enough rings for the next patient. The Premier X5 system provides enough rings to keep all your rooms stocked and ready for action. Let's recap the 5 reasons to choose Premier X5. Number 1. Strong proprietary resin rings, reusable up to 5 autoclave cycles. 2. Anatomically shaped matrices, provides proper contouring and tight contacts. 3. Compatible with other systems, wedges, and matrices. 4. Easy to use compared to Tofflemire-type retainers. And 5. Priced right for exceptional value. There's never been a better time to make the switch to the Premier X5 sectional matrix system to keep an eye on your bottom line and be ready for all your Class II needs without compromising quality results. Every time.